Hello everyone, good afternoon. As we have done as yesterday, we have completed the chapter second that was life. So today we are going to start the new chapter that is global warming, a catastrophe in the making. So let's start. Firstly, we will do the summary. Okay, let's start. First is global warming is one of the major threats to human race. It refers to the rise of by about 0.8 degrees Celsius. Its main reason is the increase in the greenhouse gases produced by human activities. Global warming will increase seawater levels and send extreme weather events including heat waves, droughts, and heavy rainfall. Global warming will melt all the glaciers in the Himalaya region and change the livelihood of millions of people in the subcontinent. Even places like Kashmir will have an impact of this warming. Glaciers in Jammu and Kashmir are restricted at an alarming rate. This has resulted in water scarcity and increased the threat of floods. Global warming has brought in high velocity storms in the valley, which have caused devastation to crops and fruits. The rapid melting of Kolai Glacier by 18% has invoked concern among environmentalists that is mainly due to increase in temperature caused by high levels of population from various sources. The observation made by TERI have shown increased discharge threats due to increase in glacier melt runoff. Global warming has brought great changes in climate. The average temperature have increased. The research carried out by the University of Kashmir has shown that the average increase in um, temperature in the valley by the end of 21st century would be between 2 and 3 centigrade. Uh, Erratic snowfall, hotter summers, climate variability, and change in precipitation levels will affect livelihoods. So we need to come up with a strategy for the sustainable development of water resources in region. Our children will scarce as if we don't do it now. Now it's glossary that is first is catastrophe, okay, a disastrous end. Then is greenhouse gases means gases which cause the greenhouse effect, affectionately carbon dioxide. Then is recent means to move away from a place, and for forecast an area of land which is permanently frozen. Non-extinct describes something that does not exist or is not present in a particular place. Ambient time means to collect a large number of things over a long period. Devastating means destroying a place or thing completely or causing great damage. Okay, no, it's sorry for this. Okay, now the Black Death means a form of bubonic plague pandemic in Europe and Asia during the 14th century, which killed 50 million people belonging to or relating to parts of the world that are in immediately south or north of the tropic. Then is floodplain means an area of flat land near a river that is often flooded when the river becomes too full. Then is wetlands means large areas of land covered with the brams of or marsh. Then is Perennial means lasting or happening through the air, means simulation mean a respectation of a problem situation orchestra in mathematical items, especially using a computer. Then is stretching mean a very shocking and surprising. Then is stakeholders mean a group of people who own a share in something. Then is robust means a person or animal strong or and healthy or of an object or system strong and unlikely to break or fail. Then is sustainable able to continue over a period of time. And after that is degradation means the process of wearing down. And the regating means decreasing or becoming more distant means Suru-Basin glacier in census means long pointed strips of ice that are found when drops of water flows. Then is adversely mean having a negative or harmful impact on something. Obvious means very pleasant or rude. Then is scarcity a migratory word found in spring. Index means its adjective. Indicative or classified. Then is symbol of an opinion or position able to be defeated. Then is working with text. First question is that why has the Earth's surface temperature increased? Answer is the Earth's average temperature has increased because of global warming due to increased human activities like cutting down of trees and burning of fossil fuels. Then the second question, why the Himalayan region called the water tower of Asia? The Himalayan region is called the water tower of Asia because of the presence of huge glaciers which provide around 8.6 million cubic meters of water annually to the subcontinent countries. Then the third question is, what are the main sources of water in the Kashmir Valley? The main sources of water in the Kashmir Valley are its lake, water, wetlands, snow-fed streams, springs, and reservoirs. Then is why is water the most precious natural resource? What is the most precious natural resource as it has many used which are very important for the substance of life on the earth. It is one of the basic components of life. Then is fifth question, how has Kashmir been influenced by global warming? Global warming had led to melting of many glaciers in Kashmir and reduction in snowfall. This has resulted in water scarcity. Global warming has also resulted in the frequency of flooding. Then the sixth question, how is global warming the largest threat to humanity? Answer is global warming will lead to increase in temperature and this in turn will lead to melting of the entire ice. So the earth the this will lead to flooding of the earth, heat waves, drought stains in agricultural yields, which will have a direct impact on the substance of life on the earth. Then is why, what do you think is the cause of decrease in snowfall in Kashmir? I think the cause of decrease in snowfall in Kashmir is the indiscriminate feeling of felling of trees. Then is eighth question, what has been the impact of global warming on J&K so far? Global warming has had a great impact on the climate of Kashmir. Glaciers are regarding at an alarming rate. Global warming has also led to occurrence of high velocity um storms in the valley, which have caused deforestation to crop and fruits. Global warming has led to climatic variety in the um, valley, which has led to erratic snowfall, hotter summers, and change of both precipitation and temperature. This has certainly affected livelihoods. Then is ninth question: what role do the scientists play in the JNK to deal with the problem of global warming? Answer is the scientists have conducted studies on the glaciers of Jan and recommended measures to bring down the glaciers' recession rate. Then is 10th question: what do us as individuals need to do to deal with the problem of global warming? We as individuals can do our bit by ju- strictly using our energy resources, minimizing the levels of pollution, and growing more and more trees to help to deal with the problem of global warming. So these were the questions. Now let's move on next topic, that is language work, but it is more. So we will do it tomorrow in tomorrow's video. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all and like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Bye.